Thank you so much for coming, everyone. My name is Mariana. I'm the marketing manager here at the Tile Collective, and we are so honored to have you here tonight. This is the first of hopefully many events like this that we'll do in the future across the different Tile Collective showrooms. Looking forward to seeing what you guys can create tonight with the help of Eliza, the expert.
We're going to get into a little bit of a workshop. 2 tables behind you, you'll see. Grab all your little samples, pop them together, and just have some fun. Make sure and keep grabbing drinks and food while you're going.